Hi angels, this is how I do the tank press-on nails. I first start off with double tips, one that goes for the bottom, and I measure and cut it one tip off, and I leave a little space for the stopper. So here she wanted a plaid tank, so I painted that first on. And I also use gel press-on nails, not the plastic ones because they are not as clear as the gel ones. So next I put together the tank by using a mixture I made to glue them together. So next I make these little round stoppers with the gel and I cut them out, sizing them to the nail, making them fit right. Dipping the stoppers in my gel mixture, plugging and curing it. Here I do the water test just to make sure that nothing is leaking. And here I just fill it up with decorations. What she wanted was some fall leaves and a pumpkin and a little bit of glitter and stuff. Next, I fill it up with my liquid. Make sure that the rims are cleaned up. And then I plug it. Plug and cure it. For the back of the nails, I decided to add some acrylic glitter and then some leaves and encapsulate it with hard gel. I encapsulate the whole entire nail with hard gel and then I file everything down that it's nice and smooth, and then I top coat it one by one on this pen and I turning it in the lamp every 5 seconds. Basically like they do the tumblers, the glitter tumblers. So here is the finished nail. What do y'all think? Isn't it gorgeous? Oh my god, I could play with this all day. Leave your comments down below on what tank I should do next.